Welcome to the Accountancy Learning AAT sample paper walkthroughs. I'm Sarah, and in this video I'll take you through the Introduction to Bookkeeping Sample Paper 2 Task 10. So this is about transferring data from the books of prime entry. We're given some totals of the debit side of the cash book, and part A asks us to show the entries to be made in the general ledger accounts below. So let's have a look then. We are looking at cash sales. So we've got our cash sales here. So we can put the amount of £3,810.50. And remember, this is the debit side of the cash book that we're given. So now we're looking at what the other side is going to be. So our cash sales is going to be a form of income. So we're going to credit cash sales with that amount. VAT, so £762.10. So that's going to be a liability to pay HMRC. So credit. And receivables ledger control, £16,806.60. And again, this is a credit because customers have paid us, so it's reducing the balance. The sales returns, purchases and discounts received daybooks have been totalled, and all amounts have been transferred to the relevant general ledger accounts. Identify the entries in the receivables and payables ledger. So the important thing to hear is to note that these are our subsidiary ledgers. All the other ledgers have been transferred to. So for sales then, so our sales is going to be increasing what our individual customers owe us. So we're going to have a debit entry, and that's going to be to the receivables ledger. Our sales return is going to be the opposite. That's going to be a credit entry to the receivables ledger, because that's going to reduce what that particular customer owes us. Purchases. So this is going to increase our liability to pay our individual suppliers. So the payables ledger, we're going to have credit entries to the payables ledger. And the discounts received, that reduces the amount that we owe our suppliers. So that's going to be a debit. It reduces the liability, so it's a debit entry to the payables ledger. That completes task 10.